What's the meaning of boogeyman? Boogeyman. Boogeyman.
Boogeyman. Boogeyman.
The term boogeyman refers to a mythical and often malevolent figure used by adults to frighten children into good behavior. It's typically portrayed as a shadowy monster that hides under beds or in closets, waiting to scare its unsuspecting victims. The boogeyman is a common figure in many cultures and is often used as a cautionary tale for misbehaving children. While the concept of the boogeyman may seem harmless, its use can have a negative impact on children's mental well-being, causing anxiety and fear.
It's important for parents and caregivers to consider the emotional impact of using such tactics.